Before I jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, health, foods, weight loss and fat-burning methods. Want to rock sleeveless dresses and flaunt your toned arms but dread exposing your darkened underarms at an equivalent time? Well, the darkening of your underarms is often caused thanks to a spread of reasons like shaving, sweating or thanks to the buildup of dead skin cells therein. The phenomenon is more common than you think. If you're faced with the darkening of your underarms, don't worry, we've got you covered. Instead of using all those expensive products unproved and error bases, you'll always choose these homemade tips and tricks. You will soon be ready to have all the liberty to wear the dresses you would like to. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has proven to be a superb cure for darkened underarms. Not only does it aid within the process of lightening your underarms but also helps keep it odor-free. Its anti-microbial properties combat microbes and make sure that your underarms stay free from bad odor. How to go about it? Add some water to tea tree oil to dilute it. Pour this mixture in an empty spray bottle and spray it on your underarms. Voila, you are good to go. Repeat this process daily for simpler results. Lemon juice. Lemon juice may be a natural bleach, especially on account of its high concentration of acid. It will assist you to remove dead skin cells and lighten your skin over a period of your time. How to go about it? Cut a lemon in 2 slices, and gently scrub your underarms with them for a few minutes. Let the juice sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, rinse it off with cold water. Repeat this process about 3 times a week. Aloe vera. Just a little bit of aloe vera is going to be ready to do the trick. It contains antibacterial properties that help soothe and lighten your skin. How to go about it? Cut into a fresh leaf of aloe vera and extract the gel. Gently massage the aloe vera gel onto your underarms. Let it dry for about 20 minutes. Then, rinse it off with lukewarm water. You can also substitute aloe vera for the aloe vera gel available within the market. Repeat this process every day to lighten your underarms. Apple vinegar cider. If you're affected by dark underarms, you'll always believe apple vinegar cider to assist you with the matter. This kitchen ingredient is often easily sourced from your local store. Apple vinegar cider is loaded with amino and lactic acids, which help obviate dead skin cells. Plus, its astringent properties help unclog the pores, thereby lessening the darkness. It also smooths the armpit area considerably. How to go about it? Dilute apple vinegar cider with water. Soak a cotton ball during this solution and gently dab it over your armpit area. Let this solution sit on for about 10 minutes. Then, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process as frequently as possible throughout the week, for more effective results. Rose water and baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to rose water, and stir this mixture evenly. Then, apply this solution onto your armpit area and wait about 10 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. You can practice this trick twice every week for lighter underarms. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.